market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back, giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From pine tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the charts are crisp and clean. Executing orders, a trading machine. Got my stops in place, my target set high. Pine tree trader strategy, under the market sky. This ain't a gamble, it's a calculated art. Every setup I see, I'm playing my part. Yeah, pine tree trader, Apex, take profit, Tradify. We're in the game, you can't deny. From inside to outside, we're ruling the charts. Building our wealth, breaking hearts, peace out. Yeah.
Yo, what up? What is up? What is up? Discipline trader Terry trades second. What's going on? Dawood, Ishmi, Brian in the house, Francis, John Walk, Joyce. What is up? How's it going? Lost 1,000. Oh yeah, that pump last night, right? Yeah, Terry's going live on the BDH. That's right. Against Rina, yes. Should be fun. That's gonna be that is gonna be wild. It's gonna be a good time. Do they charge you to keep funded accounts without trading it? No. But most of these prop firms do have inactivity rules. So if you don't trade it, then they might just get rid of it. Hey, Wale, what is up? What is up? What is up? Yeah. Oh, nice, Dawood. How am I doing? I'm doing all right. Yeah, I had a good day today. I did not trade much, which felt good. So what is up, Trader 007? Yeah, I didn't trade that much, and it was good. I passed a core account. I got 50% of this take profit trader account. I finished green on my Bulenox master account. I finished green on my top 1 funded account. And take profit trader, this pro account looking pretty good. Not this one. It's doing okay on this one. This is where we're at on this Take Profit Trader Pro account. Looking good. 100% winning trades. How about that? 15 trades, 100% winning trades. Looking good. You just don't use stop losses. This is how you have winning trades. John, your girlfriend and his sisters are in Portland. Let's go. You might be moving. It's nice. I was in Portland over the weekend for a wedding down at the Old Port. I'm sure that's where they're pretty close to the Old Port. What they call the Old Port, down by the coast. Yeah. Tell them if they want to go to a good restaurant. Not that cheap though. But DeMillo's on the water, if they like seafood, really good place. So let's see. So the market's gonna open up in about 5 minutes. Corey's in the house. What is up? I am gonna put. Let's see. We are gonna do a moose race later. How did everyone else do today? Yo, Bob Calling, what is up? That is not right. Why is it doing that? Sorry, I'm setting up the raffle thing. There. Helps when you hit save. Yo, Amid, what's going on? Discipline Trader. Yeah, 2 separate chats going. So I'm streaming on one mobile and one regular. NASDAQ, what is going on? Peter in the house. Moose race again, yes. Silky C, you ended up losing my payout because I had traded my account today. Oh no. Oh no, Silky. Which one? Which prop firm? You're waiting on the payout. That is I'm sorry to hear that, Silky C. That's something that's you're not the only one that's done that. Yeah, that's kind of why yeah, some of those prop firms, that's why, you know, when they wait, they make you wait for those payouts, and then yeah. Sorry to hear that, man. Oh yeah, that money's got to come out of the account. As soon as it's withdrawn out, as soon as they withdraw it out of the account with any prop firms. So just a tip, guys, just do not trade those accounts. If you request a payout, do not trade those accounts until that money comes out of the balance of that account. All right, our market's open, guys. Good luck. So I am trading a take profit trader account. I have this pro account up to 3,400 bucks, and I'm inching my way to some more daily payouts. I'm gonna try a long here off this outside bar for a quick scalp. It's gonna be a quick one. This is a kind of an experiment. Bob, you caught the NQ 1 p.m. inside bar, was a rip to the downside. Oh, nice, Bob. Sweet. Look at the spread on this. Maybe I should have used MNQ. Yo, Coach Fred in the house. What is going on? Only goes up. That's right. So I'm long off the outside bar, the close, and so that's the closing candle, and then They put it in an outside bar, and I'm basically just taking the break of that outside bar. This is something that I've been observing for a while, secretly behind closed doors, and so I haven't really traded it, but I'm just looking for a 1-to-1. Bang, got it. So yeah, I got a 1-to-1 off that. So anyways, this is something I've been watching. So when the closing candle puts in an outside bar, I've been noticing when the market reopens in Globex, I've been noticing that the breaks of it have been pretty decent. So that was the trade I took. So just a little nugget, something I've been watching. It was a nice trade, 160 to get started. It could keep going, but I just took the 1-to-1. Cheryl, what is up? Past my eval now. I need to build my buffer. Let's go. Yeah, so Bulenox, guys, 91% off. Use code PINE. It's all set up. Option 1s, 50Ks. So, do you want to try out Bulenox? Probably about $15.75 for one of those evals. Skibo, what is up? It's Mo Bro. What is going on? Top tier Todd in the house. Jack Boom. Feline Futures in the house. Texoma Trader, what is up? What is up? Lobberdobber in the house. Amid is in the house. One Stop's in the house. Running it back with the TPT, hoping not to blow. Oh yeah, yeah. So we are ripping to the upside here. Probably, hopefully it's not one of those like last night where I should have just held, right? So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, you got to go over to the mobile side. I apologize once again. I tried to fix it. You can't fix it. Apparently, when I start the stream, whichever. So whether it's the YouTube Shorts or the regular one starts first, that's where Streamlabs goes. So that's unfortunate, but that's the Streamlabs bot. So exclamation point Pine over on the mobile section. I do apologize for that. I have been getting I unless there is a way to fix it, I don't know. If someone knows, let me know. But yes, then smash the like button. I am giving away a 50K Tradeify account, growth account. So 50K growth account. Must be present to win. I've been hustling. I've been emailing these affiliate managers saying, hey, I want some accounts to give away to my community. Especially FOMC week, rollover week. It's tough. Yeah, no activation fee on those ones too. What am I drinking? This is pure coconut water, not from concentrate. No sugar added. Thanks, Fred. So yeah, I appreciate you guys using code PINE for all your prop firm needs, and let's see if we can make some more money. Let's work on this eval. These evals I do not take lightly. These are the take profit trader evals. These are the ones I like to pass, and I try not to full port them. I try to like take good setups and not just push the button. So I kind of treat them a little bit like a funded account in a way. But yeah, I had a pretty good day. Overall, it was pretty profitable. Boy, last night gold and silver was just wild again. So about 8:30, 9 o'clock Eastern time, the gold and the silver starts picking up, and really starts moving. It can bust your account for sure, or you can make some good money. Tom E, what is up? Hitchman, Fiber Splice says smash the like button. Let's go. ChatGPT says you can link them up, but a bit of a process though. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I was trying to figure that out today, but I'll have to look into it again tomorrow. Team Massive, what is up? Yeah, smash the like on both streams. That's right. Batman, what is up? Jeff Vance, is something on the PA? And QCSC and bring the large red candles down. Get a gap up at open. I'm not really sure. Is there? So it looks fine on Trade-Evate. We are continuing to push up. This could be. Let's take a look at gold. What is gold up to? Gold's not really doing much at the moment. Like I said, 8:30, 9 o'clock Eastern time. For you gold traders, starts moving. Belonging, targeting 48. Hey, I don't blame you. I mean, maybe the market wants 25,000. Did I catch the longs at open? I actually did not. I actually took the short. I basically faded the ORB. We pushed up through the ORB. We pulled back, put in this hammer candle, and I actually went short here. That was my main trade. Caught the nice move, and then I waited for this inside bar. But at that point, I was already done, and I was like, I'm not waiting for this inside bar anymore. And I went to the gym. So yeah, I waited all morning for the first inside bar, and I did not take it, and it's a good thing I didn't, because it was a loser. Second one was a nice one. But yeah, then it got really choppy through the afternoon, and this inside bar put in a nice dump. But yeah, 7:50 Eastern time, Zane. Yeah, we'll do it. I do it towards the end of the stream. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 2 tonight. One for members only. Thank you so much for being a member. The members are the ones with the little pine trees next to their name. I appreciate that. So I'm gonna do two races. One for members and one for non-members. So we'll do the one for non-members first. We'll do that about 7, right around 7:45 Eastern time. Am I liking the upside? Well, yeah, I did. But I'm out now. I just took my scalp there, but just like last night, it probably is gonna keep rolling. Guys, 2 Tradeify accounts. Make sure that you are eligible to trade with Tradeify, please. Because if I give you the code and you're not eligible for Tradeify, then there's nothing I can do about it. Sorry. It's late there. Sorry. I always do them at the end of the stream. If I do them at the beginning of the stream, then everyone leaves. Yeah, it's about. But yeah. The riskier the chart looks, the more reward it is. Crazy markets, yeah, for sure, yeah. Yeah, the Dr. David Paul used to say that the best trades are usually the hardest ones. I watched a great psychology video today. I kind of recommend it if anyone wants to check it out. I'll post it on the Discord. I'll just put the link in the chat if you guys want to check it out. But if anyone wants to check out those videos, that video later, because you don't want to watch it now, you want to come back to the stream, but if you want to watch it later, I'm just kidding. But yeah, no, it's a pretty good trading psychology video. You know, it's pretty simple, but kind of like speaks to me type of thing. What is up, Dean? Dean in the house. Mike Crotch in the house. Did I catch the long? I did. I just caught a bit of it. So you guys are just tuning in. So this is something I've been watching. The closing candle on the 5-minute chart puts it in an outside bar. I've been looking to take the break at the Globex Open, and that's what I did for 1-to-1, 160 bucks. Quick, easy, stress-free. Spot the 4P pullback. Everything is so insane. Oh, nice. Boy, shot up. I mean, we are up 33 points in the NASDAQ right now. Some only come from the reward, Peter. Yeah, it's true. It's okay. We try to do as many as we can, but you know, we go through spurts where we don't have things to give away. So, do you trade the ORB for each session or just NYC? So I don't really, Cheryl, to be honest with you, I don't really trade it. But yeah, this is something, this was actually the closing candle. The ORB would be this one right here, 5-minute ORB break. But which is something I've been watching too. But yeah, I have been paying attention a little bit to the opening New York City 5-minute ORB. I kind of take it with a lot of discretion. You know, like today I just was like, it's like we pushed straight up at the open and we immediately whipped down, and I took the short thinking like, oh yeah, we're gonna take out the buyers that tried to buy the opening range break up here. It's like we're definitely going to take them out on the opposite end of that candle, and that's exactly what we did. So it was just a lot of discretion involved in that trade. It was down 900, shorting the early part of the rip. Now back to oh, really? Go tread. Nice. Back to even's good. Jay, what is up? Came from Stock Tigers. Let's go. We like Stock Tiger. The Tiger King. I don't do karaoke like Stock Tiger does, though, Jay. Sorry. Yeah, no red. Yeah, there's a mod in here. I don't wear wigs, no, but I wear a moose hat. I have a moose hat that I wear. Put on my moose hat. But it's too early for that, and it's kind of hot, so. Live like 20 miles. Oh, nice, Peter. No pullbacks, and I'm on the 1 second chart. It's crazy, isn't it, Thumper? This market just refuses to go down. We got a rude awakening coming. I just have a feeling we're gonna have like a 4% down limit down day, like, and they're gonna blame it on something. You know, they'll have some sort of catalyst that sent it down, like whatever. Oh, cool, Jay. Awesome. Welcome. Took the New York Open 5-minute ORB. Short, yeah. Yeah, Texoma. I cannot say that. Texoma trader. Sorry. But yeah, no. I mean, really, it can be that kind of simple. It's just trading around those levels, right? 5-minute, 15-minute ORBs, 30-minute ORBs, things like that. I mean, it can be that simple. Think I'll have a red eye, yeah. Rates going down, market will be bullish. Yeah, you would think, Scotty. But, I mean, with rates not going down, the market was so bullish. So, it's just, I mean, just look at that. I mean, the daily chart is absolutely insane. For new traders, in case you did not know this, if you go to Tradeovate and you want to look at the continuous chart and not just the current contract, you do at and then NQ. So at NQ or at ES or at YM. Just a tip, beginner's tip. And you can look at the continuous contracts. So, kind of wild. I mean, this market. Not quite an inside bar there. Did it put one in on MNQ? Nope. Might be curling down a little bit. Net Baba, what is up? Every time the ES hit 90s, it bounced 10 points real quick again. Oh, really? Probably should have looked at it. I didn't trade ES at all. I did trade SPX though, so. Options. Yeah, it was too. Like that 690 just held. Yo, JC Trades in the house. Yeah, the bot running and hasn't taken a trade. Even the automated bot is like, damn, yeah. Hey, Kato in the house. What is going on? Hey, Filipino. What is happening? Cheryl, you keep wanting to short. Yeah, I know. I mean, the shorts work. It's just you can't hold on to them. too long, you know. It seems like. Joe, what is going on? So exclamation point Pine in the other chat. So you got to go over to the mobile side. Exclamation point Pine. We will do a moose race later for a 50K Tradeify growth account. So must be present to win. But we will we'll do that a little bit later. And we'll also do one for members only when the time comes. So good chance to win one of those. PG in the house. What is up? So yeah, I would love to get another Take Profit Trader pass and then build some of these accounts up. But boy, man, these 150Ks are nice. These pro accounts, but you know, you got to get it over that 4,500 to get daily payouts or something like that. So I actually haven't traded one in a long time, so I don't even really remember. But once you're over there, it's a nice buffer to start getting some base hit daily payouts. I mean, I like if I can get like, you know, 100, 200, 300, 400 bucks like on a daily payout on a consistent basis, like that is what really changes the game. So for a long time I was doing that over and over and over and over and over again, and then I end up, you know, blowing up the account, going on tilt one day, and haven't been able to seem to get back to that point in a hot minute. Trading the Ninja Trader contest right now, the MES. Oh, really, Thumper? Yeah. Oh, yeah, they had that MES competition. I kind of forgot about that. I'm supposed to be doing a trade day competition. They sent me the email. Kellyanne sent me a message, asked me if I was going to do it, and then I said at first I was like, no, I don't think I'm gonna do it. But then I looked. Then they sent me the rules, and I was like, oh, so I can make I can win 5,000 for first place, and then 5,000 to my community, so up to 10,000 bucks. I was like, all right, I'm in. I'll do it. Guy, I know the giveaway is gonna be around 7:45 or so, 7:40 or so Eastern time. Chef Chris in the house. Waiting for Tokyo and Shanghai for GC PG. Yeah, for sure. It's been nice lately, right? At Tokyo and Shanghai for gold, that really gets it moving. Man, did we go for another long here off this Harami? Is that the pullback? Pullback to the VWAP, and then that's all the pullback we're gonna get? I'm gonna rank 90 on it. I'm probably down like 400. Oh, nice net, Bubba. Yeah, last time I was in those Ninja Trader competitions, I put the trade on and I just left it. It did not end well. That was a fun one. That was the one that was Terry Trades 100. Finished 7th in out of a lot of traders. She actually won money. So how am I trading after 5 p.m. Domsky trades? This is futures. Or are you talking about Take Profit Trader? This up here is Central Time, but it's actually after 6 o'clock. So yeah, a lot of people get that confused. You can trade Take Profit Trader, you know, 6 p.m. Eastern till 4:59 Eastern. Hey, Sire, what is up? Offrey, would you ask me something? Yeah, it's when the market's closed. So from 4:59, basically 5 o'clock Eastern time till 6 o'clock. But that 1 hour right there, you can't have any open positions. But after that, after 6 p.m., you can trade. Yep. So you just can't have any open positions. So they consider that having open positions overnight. So this is the biggest prize rewards they've done for events so far. Oh, nice net, Baba. I wish I was in. Can I still get in it? All right, market's still pushing up here, 742s. Little pullback down to the VWAP, 730s, and then popped right back up. So pretty bullish at the moment. Wayne Auto in the house. Yeah, it appears it only goes up for sure. Do not fear the pullbacks. No, just buy every pullback. Offrey, I have 2 streams going on. You can come over to the other side and you can see the full screen. Yeah. No, you're good. I got two going. You got a TPT that you traded now? Let's go, Cheryl. Good luck with that. Yeah, I mean, just gotta take it. Take Profit Trader, these pro accounts, once you get them, especially when you get over the buffer, that they feel very much like a personal account. And I think that psychologically, that's why people kind of struggle with them, but yeah. Thank you, Feline Futures. Full porting MES right now, Ninja Trader. Let's go. Let's get it. A push would be nice right now. Yeah, why we did just get a pretty nice push off the VWAP. Up, it jumped about 13 points. So yeah, not bad. Running into a little bit of resistance here, but see if we can hop in on a pullback. Come down and test that 50. Yo, Red, what is up? From sunny Florida. I just want NQ to go 60s, but this, like, it's not happening. Yeah, it could. I don't know. I'd just be patient. We're pulling back now. Still waiting for that first inside bar. Wow, getting to pull back down to the VWAP here. 732s. See if the bears can actually take control here. Putting in a little bit of a trend line. Upwards channel. Very steep. Nice design. The new neighbor across the river. Let's go. That's pretty awesome. Troy trend lines, my favorite. Yeah, that's right. You just buy my course for $999. So cheap, right? It does. Yeah, no, I got nothing against trend lines. I mean, trend lines, bull flags, bear flags. I mean, I trade them. Trade what I see, you know. I don't know. We try. Man, I hate to try to short in this. Let's try it. It's so hard to short this market, but we're gonna try it. Kind of a trend line break. We gotta break below that VWAP though. Outside bar as well. So let's see if we can actually get a little bit of a push down. Maybe kind of test the open a little bit. If not, we will be in the red. But we'll try it. I hate shorting or longing when it's like sitting right on the VWAP, you know? Hey Mike, what is up? Cheryl, you got a 50K account? Let's go. I do like the 50K accounts, yeah. I even like the 25K accounts. For Take Profit Trader. I've done very well with those. Come on, looking for 723.50. Yeah, Chef Chris, 25K is, I mean, you know, if I was in a 25K account on this 150K, you know, I would have got a good $1,500 payout yesterday. But the 100-second chart, no. No, I haven't, sire. Dang. Up 305. Tori's trend lines would be so proud. You ever experienced lag on the charts with the inside bar indicator? No. Not really. You mean as far as it like not popping up on Tradeovate? Basically, we've taken 2 outside bar trades. Yeah, Mike, it's on a lot of charts. The good old VWAP. Now you just need to get a payout, Chef Chris. Yeah, you'll get there. Yeah, just gotta be patient. That's the thing is, like, I was thinking, I had a little bit of angst like trading my pro account today, and so I just sized down. and I caught a nice move. But I was in like 3 micros, and I was like, man, if I was only in a mini, but I would have got a payout. But today, oh well. But I gotta get in my mindset that, like, you know, I just gotta slowly build up these accounts and not try to get to the payouts so quickly, because sometimes it's boom or bust. So, especially with 25K account, I mean, you can just trade. I mean, you can just trade micros. You'd be amazed on what you can make with 2 or 3 micros on Nasdaq. It's kind of crazy. I've certainly have lost accounts trading micros, so I know you can make a lot of money trading micros. Like the price displaying on the chart is delayed. Oh, are you getting a data? Like data delay? Is it all yellow up on top or something? Mayor Kale, what is going on? Yeah, smash the like button. If you guys are over on the shorts side, please smash the like. If you're over on the regular side, please smash the like. Fiber Splice says. There we go. Getting continuing to get a push down. Could make new session lows here. Kind of a decent range so far for Globex. I have the hardest time with Rhythmic. I'm just letting that account go. Oh yeah. What are you trading on Rhythmic? Quantower or something? Quantower is good. Oh, Ninja, yeah. But yeah, you go from like Project X or Trade Evade, and it's just like, it's kind of difficult, but you know, once you start trading Quantower or Ninja Trader or something like that, those, you know, people like those too. I traded Quantower for years. Maybe like a year and a half. And I was having all kinds of issues with it, but I imagine they got it straightened out by now. Look at that dump, just pushing down through 713s, 711s, back to that 711. Can't wait to step over onto Tick Blaze. Never heard of Tick Blaze. Scalp Ripper, trading micros in the 4 hour. Yeah, so that's, yeah, so if you're trading a higher time frame, like 4 hour, you definitely have to, well, not definitely, but yeah, trading a smaller size is kind of a must. But yeah. Oh, but you said you were trading 20 contracts, but yeah, so it's, but yeah, if you're looking for those extreme ranges and then trading off those, but you got to know yourself. You got to know yourself, you know, can you hold on to trades? I bet you hold on to trades pretty much half the day or all day, right? More sophisticated than Ninja Trader or Quantower. Oh, really, Thumper? I don't want it. But you're an algo trader, so you probably like that stuff. I want simple. I just want a button to push. Just give me a button. Yeah, whatever works, man. No. That's right. That's what I do for a living. I click buttons. Nice start on this Take Profit Trader account. So I gotta trade it for 5 days anyway, so I got a good start on it. I hit 1500 on day one. I don't know if you guys noticed beginning of the stream, I hit 1500 exactly. So I don't know how that happened. I had to laugh when I did it because I literally manually closed it on the trade and I was full port for the most part. like 3-4 contracts. And then as soon as it came down to 1500, like I just manually hit the exit button and hit 1500 exactly. And I was like, for the 50% consistency, I literally had to laugh to myself. I was like, oh, that's funny. Yo, Corey, the phone trader in the house. Nice. Red Candle's up $800 on a trade day that he got using code PINE with a capital P. So trade day, very much like Take Profit Trader, so you get those daily payouts. Definitely not as popular as Take Profit Trader, but they are a very good prop firm if you're looking to get daily payouts. And they got static accounts and they got end of day accounts, which is sweet. And they moved it to 5 days. So we are pushing down now. We will wait for another setup. So I like, you know, it's funny, like someone was saying, well, they don't like back and forth action. I do like back and forth action. That's kind of my strength. When we start getting trend days and I'm already not in it, then that's when I struggle. When you start getting the M patterns and the W patterns, that's what I like. The New York session open range top, yeah. Yeah, we are. Right here. See, I was messing around in this account rate and through here. And then I ended up taking that short. Like I said, as soon as we took the 5-minute ORB, we reversed it and we started coming down. I just, on momentum, I hopped in short and then took it down here. Nice trade. Happened quick. What time frame do I use for looking for inside bars? 5 minutes. Yep. Yeah, I generally only trade on the 5-minute chart. Seems like me and Take Profit accounts can get more page pass. Oh, really, Corey the phone trader? Yeah, Take Profit Trader was one of my kryptonites for the longest time. And basically until they weren't. I just kept going at them. Because you know, like, I mean, you're a hustler. You work all day, every day, the 9 to 5, and so does a lot of people. But like, you can replace that Walmart Spark income with a Take Profit Trader daily payouts, like pretty quick. So that's why I like it. And if I can get 5 accounts and do that, I mean, I have a feeling they're gonna move me to Pro Plus if I start getting some more consistent daily payouts, because I have gotten a lot out of them this year. So I don't know how much, but eventually they force you into Pro Plus, which is not a bad thing, right? Yeah, let me experience those daily payouts, right? And you know, even if you start out small, like if you're just trading a few micros and you know you make $50, $60, and then you know you can slowly scale up. But I don't know what size accounts you're trading, Corey, but not financial advice, but you know, maybe try the 25Ks. I don't know if you tried those yet. Jeff, you got your first Take Profit Pro account and made 2K the first day. Let's go. So 2K right on the dot, Jeff Vance. You didn't get a payout, or so tomorrow or tonight or tomorrow you're gonna work on getting that payout. That's awesome. Do you know any good straight to funded accounts? Yeah, Harrison. So right now I mean, my favorite straight to funded accounts is probably Tradeify accounts. Those are my favorites. But I am currently working on top 1 straight to funded accounts. But, you know, I haven't gotten a payout from them yet, so I haven't really been recommending them that much. But they are fairly cheap. You can get, I think right now, still with code Pine and top 1, you can get a 25K for around 89 bucks. They have Project X, and then the 50K is around 150 bucks. I have three 50Ks right now that I'm working on. I'll pull them up right now. Top 1 futures. They do not like under 10-second trades, and to be honest with you, I had an under 10-second two under 10-second trades last night because I didn't realize that I was copy trading all these accounts. This account's looking good, up 1,600 bucks. I was copy trading all these accounts, and I accidentally had the personal daily profit target at 300 bucks for some reason on one of them. And so every time I went into a trade, it just like, because I was already up 300, I was up like 295 or something like that, and every time I went in, it liquidated me. And so I did it again, and it liquidated me, and I was like, what the heck is going on? And that was why. So yeah, give them a shot, you know, try to do your own due diligence and research. But I mean, for right now, I like their website. Seem to be good. But yeah, that's top 1. Straight to funded. They're pretty cheap. Tony, you've done well with 25K take profit traders. Yeah, I mean, yeah, so Corey, so yeah, with the 25Ks, you could basically, you know, just, they're easier to pass, you know, for one. You only have to make 1,500 or 1,600. I think it's 1,500 to pass it. So 750, basically you can make 750 on day 1, 750 on day 2, pass it. And then as soon as you get over 1,500 bucks, you can take daily payouts. And so we are back to the VWAP here, 726. If we push down to 711s, it's been kind of a bounce spot at 711. But yeah, I mean, you catch one nice trade on a 25K account with one mini, and you pretty much get a daily payout on one day. First day on a 25K account. But so they have the 10-second rule too, funding ticks, Coach Fred. It's funny because yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen with these. I mean, I'm gonna keep trading them, but I'm not gonna. Lobber Dauber, it's 10 days, I believe. Yeah, 10 days with top 1. When can I request a payout? You can request every 10 days. All right, you need a minimum of 7 profitable trading days. So if you have 100 and or if you have a 50K account, it's 50 bucks. So that's considered a profitable trading day. So not bad. First payout is 6% of starting balance. So 50K is 5,300, and you can request 1,500 bucks, and your new balance will be 51,500 bucks. Second payout is only 5% of the starting of the balance of the first payout. So, but there is a 20% consistency. I remember the good old days when 50K accounts, you only had to make like 2,500 bucks, 2,600 to take out 2,000. Those are the good old days. Traders gotten too good. Crazy Chris, what's up? Hey Pawn, what is going on? It is crazy how everything just gets bought right up. I know every little dip gets bought. It's like if you're taking a short, then it's like, you know, it's like you can't be greedy about it. Oh, Jamie, your stream made me move from Top Step to Take Profit Trader because of daily payouts. I won the pro account this week and lost it. I'm motivated. Oh, cool, Jamie. Yeah. Take Profit Trader. I mean, I like Top Step too, but yeah, I mean, it's just getting those daily payouts. It makes it feel like a real account. It really does. So yeah, I'm working on it. I'm trying to build up this 150K pro. All right, we are pushing up higher. We are through the VWAP. I'm gonna get rid of this Tory trend line here. Hey, Biblical, what's up, man? Yeah, 50% or more. Well, yeah, right. It is biblical, but it is a kind of a gray area because it's like kind of like the discretion. So I'm a little cautious, but I mean, most of the time it's like my trades are way more than 10 seconds, but I did have a few mistakes. So have I used Trade Day? Yeah. I got a payout with them last month. I currently don't have any trade days at the moment. Hey, Rock Driller, what is going on? Good to see you, man. Yeah, trade day's great too. It is a stupid 10-second rule though, Fred. I agree. They won't care. Yeah, okay. Cool. Yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna keep trading the account, so it is what it is. They did reach out to me, which was kind of cool. Sent me an email. They kind of caught wind that I'm affiliating with them, so. Exclamation point Pine over on the mobile side. If you guys want to join the giveaway, we will do a giveaway here in about 45 minutes for a 50K straight to funded. No, not a straight to funded. I wish I could give away those. 50K growth account from Tradeify. Thank you, Tradeify, for that. Use code PINE if you guys are picking up some Tradeify accounts, because literally they told me, well, you're supposed to have a certain amount in sales, but we'll make an exception. We'll give you some accounts. I said, all right, let's do it. So I'll get my community to use the code PINE for Tradeify. Appreciate that. What trade am I looking for now? I'm looking for an inside bar or something. We are not getting it. But yeah, I gotta go over on NetBobby. You guys go over on the mobile side for it to work. Sorry about that. So I looked into that. I tried to figure out how to do that, to fix that, but they said, according to Streamlabs, it's whatever stream pops up first is what the Streamlabs goes to, the stream bot. Thought we had equal highs up there, but not quite. Do we actually break through, make new session highs, or we turn right back down here and just kind of play a little 30-point range here? Long MES, let's go. Not used to trading MES, this is boring. Oh, especially in Globex, yeah, I can imagine. His Mike with his numbers: 9 up, 3 down, 3 out, 39.999 days from perihelion. I never know what he's talking about, but I appreciate it. What is an inside bar? Very good question, I guess. Easy enough. It's just so an inside bar. Hope you can see it on the mobile side. Let me double check. So an inside bar right here is this yellow candle. I have an indicator for it. Basically, the body and the wicks close within the body and the wicks of the previous candle, and all I do is I take the break. So like on this candle right here, would have took the break at 711.50, and I probably would have looked for like a 1-to-1 or something on this one. Nothing great, and then the stop goes below it, and that's it. I have a strategy video on it if you want to check it out. It's very simple. Hey Brandon, what's going on? Good to see you, man. Feel like an old man trading ES, but unfortunately markets just. Hey, that's, I know. Yeah, you know, it's just. I've thought about this too. I've thought about this too a lot, Brandon. Like, should I be trading YM? Because YM can rip your face off though sometimes. But you know, I look at YM and I'm like, man, should I just be trading YM? But then I'm addicted to the NASCRAG sometimes, you know. But yeah, I mean, just I think the key there is just to stick with the instrument that you're comfortable with and it fits your personality, and just trade it. If you find an edge, stick with it, and then just trade it. Oh yeah, the link to the video. Sorry, I put it over on the other side. Oh, let's see. Here's one. I'm not sure if that's the one or not. There's one. There's a few. I have the first inside bar one that I trade every morning. New York session. There's one Harami candles that I trade a lot. Man, looking at my old videos, they just kind of make you cringe. Inside bar forming? Almost. What is up, Nate? What's going on, man? How's the trading going? I've never traded anything except NQ, GC, and ES. Yeah, I really like YM. I got into trading YM because of Tom Hugard. I actually did a nice YM trade today. Okay, I don't remember which account though. Oh, it was this pro account. See if it shows it. Yeah, right here. I basically bought. We came down wick below here, and I basically bought and just took a scalp. 38 to 77. So nice trade there. It's a good day when you can remember your trades, right? For me. Been told the Dow is the one to trade. Yeah, scalper. I mean, I do trade NASDAQ, YM quite a bit. Any reason to take profit on NQ buys at this level if entry was in the 20s? I mean, we rejected this level before, but put in a double top, and we appear to be rejecting it again. But I don't know. I mean, we could push up into here, the 770s. Of this wick here, we got the gap and an inefficiency up here. It's probably the wrong terminology, but it's okay. You just gotta sound like you act like you just gotta sound like you know what you're talking about. That's all you gotta do. It's gonna sound good. That's just a joke. Hey, here's Royal Trades. What is up? Yeah, Dow, would you trade some YM too? Yeah. Fake it till you don't make it. Yeah, that's right. You're just gonna sound like you know what you're talking about, and you can sell book and some courses. Tom Hugard is crazy. Yeah, he is a little bit Offrey. He did that trade too. No kidding. I cannot follow him. I tried once. I actually tried. I had, I don't know if you guys remember the Tom Hugard. He was streaming every day. And then, so, this was back. And I was just like, I was calculating, like, the price, you know, the prices between, you know, futures and CFDs. I was calculating the differences every morning. And then, like, he had like a no lag stream, so he was trying to like go no lag. He had different servers up around the world that you could join different servers, so that way you had no lag on his call outs. And I was trying to copy trade him. I'm like, I want to be rich, trying to copy trade him. And I was like, no. I tried all that back when I first started. You cannot copy trade people. It's just hard. Hey, investors, what is up? But I do like his videos and stuff. His psychology videos and stuff Offrey is so good. But that's the difference between what I notice on YM and NQ. So NQ, if it likes to break down through bottoms or whatever, it like runs the stops, and then you get a nice move off it. And you can get, 10, 15, 20 points off of it. YM, support and resistance levels seem to hold much better than NQ. That's what I always find. Like if I try to go with momentum with YM, I tend to get burned. But if I try to buy pullbacks or whatever on YM, I do much better. NQ, I'm kind of the opposite. I try to trade the momentum. 736 now. Nasdaq's kind of just above the VWAP. Not really doing too much. Gold just below the VWAP. Kind of grinding down, but no good movement yet. That'll pick up a little bit. YM's really not doing too much. Silver. Any of you guys been trading silver at night? That's been wild too. That's some degen stuff. Exclamation point pine in the chat over on the other side, on the mobile side. That is for a 50K. So I got 2 streams going right now. There's one YouTube Shorts and one regular. I gotta go over to the YouTube Shorts, unfortunately. I wish Red Candles would fix it for me, but for now you gotta go over there and do exclamation point pine for a 50K growth account from Tradeify. Wow, we'll get an inside bar here. Do we trade it? I feel like I'm gonna get trapped on this one. Put the link in here. I don't think I can. Yeah, I don't think I can. Can I? Yo, Michael the Scores, what is up? When you think it's a trap, then it's a trap. I know. Well, it's kind of like we're right at this resistance point. And if we do break up through the 740s, if we break this, maybe what I'm gonna do is a biblical trade. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a close. I'm gonna wait for a close of this candle, or close above or below, and then I'm gonna take short. So right now, this closes up here. I might take the long, but now I'm gonna wait. Oh, thank you, his Royal Trades. Yeah, I'll post that to the top. Thank you, appreciate that. Appreciate that, mod. You're in longs, take it? Yeah, I don't know. It's a cheap trade. I mean, you're risking maybe 60 bucks. Alright, I'm triggered. I'm long. Guys convinced me. Only risking 110. So going for a 1-to-1. We gotta break the highs. For the stream. What is my win rate in R&R? I can pull up my Buellanox here in a minute. I've had that account since July 17th, funded account. Got my 3rd payout on it. I'm working on my 4th payout, and on that single account. So I can pull that up. But yeah, it usually is around, I'm usually around between 60 to 70% 1-to-1 with all my trading, even discretionary stuff. It's usually where I end up. Buellanox currently 91% off. You guys want a cheap eval with Project X or Rhythmic? $15.75. Use code PINE. I'm gonna looks like we might get stopped out here. I knew it. No, my stop's pretty tight. Yeah. Let's see. I think July 16th I've had this account. So this is my win rate, 62% right here on this account, 1.15 win to loss, 1.89 profit factor. Average winning trade 88, average losing trade 76, best trade 517, worst trade 707, which was a daily loss limit, personal daily loss limit. You can see the calendar right here. It's pretty good. This is the only bad day I had. I had 40 trades. It was a little tilt session on a Friday, which is never fun. But yeah, I've been trading it since July 16th. So, quite proud of this account, actually. Gotten 3 payouts on it. All right, we are down 1-1. Well, we're up 165 now. So yeah, I did put in a reversal. This is actually a triggered short, technically, the way Biblical trades it. And then if we get a break down below, I mean, are we just gonna do the M pattern? I'm actually gonna take the short here. Stop's gonna go at the high, and we are gonna target somewhere down here. I don't know. I might move the stop if we start to move. Wisdom Maven, what is my trading strategies? So I trade inside bars and outside bars, basically. Harami candles on the 5-minute chart, that's it. Yeah, I know, Offrey, it is nice. Have all those stats when you're trading. So if you guys, there's the link to the top. If you're on, if you want to go over to the mobile side and enter the giveaway, !Pine. I'm giving away a 50K growth account from Tradeify. I'm going to do 2. I'm going to do one for members and one for everyone else. So the first one we're going to do for everyone else. Do I also have an algo? No, I don't trade an algo. I've thought about it. Don't fade me, bro. Sorry. Hey, the market's so bullish right now. It's taking any shorts dangerous. What is up, TJP? Traded Apex today. Oh no, Fred, I blew those accounts, by the way. Yeah, a few days ago. Yeah. Stupid. Yeah, not good. I'm expecting Apex possibly to go 90% off. Apex is, our Bulenox is 91% off till the end of the month. I expect Apex to counter with a 90% off sale, if they haven't already. Yeah, Fred, was not happy. But yeah, so inside bar trading and yeah, some discretionary offer. Just, I mean, even this right here is not really part of my strategy. I mean, what I try to do is if I take the break of the initial inside bar and if it doesn't work, stops me out, then I wait for another one or something else. Or, you know, kind of trade what I see. Yeah, for sure, Fred. I know. That's what I'm waiting on. Is a bot working? Yep, it's working. Talking about my Streamlabs bot. I don't have any trading bots. I probably should. No, he's talking about the Streamlab, I think. No, I got no bots, no magic indicators, no nothing. Trading with bots would be nice. Algos. If you have a good strategy that you can follow, and then or a good edge with an algo and take the emotions out of it, then you're way better off, you know. Well, put in another inside bar here, so we're gonna stick with the yep. Officially gonna give up what I right back to even on this account. You probably automate your inside bar. Yeah, my brother was actually working on it. He might be listening. What do I do other than trading? Any hobbies? Not really. Trading and YouTube is basically my life lately. I like to travel. I like to go on hikes and ride my bicycle. I used to have a motorcycle, but I've had a few Harleys. Don't have any anymore. Any Beelanox option 2 discounts? Yeah, if you want, it's 75% off if you want to use Pine 2 for option 2, which is the end of day accounts of Beelanox, but the 91% off ones are code Pine. That indicator also on NT8. I've seen someone with a inside bar. Yeah, Pine 2. Yep. Pine number 2. If you want the end of day accounts. I have seen someone with an indicator on NinjaTrader 8, but I don't know. I've never used it. So we'll do the giveaway in about 20 minutes or so. We're going to do 2 giveaways. One for the yeah, probably Chris Knopf. That's a good idea too. Let me do that. Instead of typing it in, I probably just put the and then this might be a little better. Copy. try this. Yeah, let's try that. Let's see if. All right, we are still holding this. Yeah, the 742, 743. We're still keeping us down. Yeah, it might be better as real trades. I don't know. It's so stupid. I'd love to be able to fix it. I think it's benefiting by having 2 streams. I think it gets more eyes in here, but I don't really know. I don't know. It's kind of an experiment for now. It's getting dangerous to ride motorcycles. Started with a katana, 2 abuses, victory. Yeah, Thumper, it's scary. Am I gonna grab the edge clear? No, but you know what? Next trade, Lou. So I do like edge clear because I started trading TPO charts and market profile stuff. So like this stuff here, and this is how I started trading. And so with edge clear, with the initial balances and stuff, like I'm very familiar with that stuff. So seeing those stats, I actually use something very similar when I basically look for initial balance break on ES. So if I split this profile here, so the initial balance here is A and B. When it breaks the initial balance, I look for a 50% retracement, and then I look for I sell. Well, today I sold the put credit spreads on SPX. Basically the low of the day, and just hung out right here all day, and I collected all the premium and I made money. That's what I actually use that, but I don't use edge clear itself. But I do like edge clear. Yeah, I've thought about it. I do love that stuff though. I love systematic statistical trades and stuff. I thought about just, you know, having some accounts where I've tried this in the past. It's just I'm not disciplined enough to stay with it, but I've thought about just having some accounts that were just systematic, and then having a account that I can just push the button on, you know. Yeah, I'm learning trade, Lou. I'm not that good at them, but just, yes, I trade in small on a personal account, just the spreads. So Wisdom Maven, yeah, pretty much just trade futures, but yeah, I have some options, but yeah, I don't trade any stocks or anything anymore, not too often. If I do trade stocks, it's usually like not a stock, but like an ETF or something, SQQQ or something. Which I did buy some SQQQ the other day, and I actually caught the move just before the FOMC and made a few shekels. Actually caught some of this move right here on the daily chart. SQQ is inverse of TQQ, so basically you're shorting QQQ with SQQQ. I did too trade, Lou, but I was trading 0-day, you know, in the money options, you know. So basically it's just a directional bet. With spreads and stuff, you know, you're collecting that premium. You don't. The way I look at it is like a football game. It's like the over and unders. Like you don't want to go over that price or under that price. And if it stays in between that, then you make money. And that's how I look at it. That's how I had to. That's how I learned it. Actually, I was just like, I put it in sports gambling terms in my brain, and I was like, all right, I can do that. Thank you, Chef Chris. You like both? Donna, what is going on? Hello, hello. But yeah, guys, link to the top of the chat if you want to go and join the giveaway. We got 2 streams going up. Appreciate that. Hey, Bella Kim, what is up? Hello, hello. I'm also be doing a giveaway on Twitter tomorrow. If you guys haven't joined my Twitter account, so I'm starting tomorrow. I think I'm gonna start, or maybe Monday. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna do a giveaway on there for some Apex accounts. Speaking of Bella Kim. So yeah, we're in this trade right now. We are getting beat up. We were up about 300 bucks on this take profit account, but currently down. We're taking some heat. Basically took the reversal off the, so the inside bar long failed, came back, put in an outside bar, and I went short. And then it's come back against me, and it's just gone sideways. So not a good situation, but it's all right. Hey Josh, what is up? What is going on, guys? But yeah, stops at the high right here, 743. It's gonna have to come and get me, but yeah, Josh. The giveaway got to go over to the mobile side. Unfortunately, I don't know how to change that, but we're gonna try to. Try to figure that out. Think you did it on the mobile? All right, nice, Josh. Nice. Yeah, so looks like we might get stopped out here. Count will be pretty much right back to even, unfortunately. Caught 2 beautiful trades off those 2 outside bars, and then we've given it back in this chop, or we might have given it back in this chop. Done with the all-time high trading. That's crazy, isn't it, Josh? Every time you go short, and it just gets bought right back up. Let's get in a nice range. I know. I was saying that earlier. I kind of like trading ranges too. Big ranges. You know, good size ranges. So yeah, we'll be doing the giveaway. A giveaway. We got a bunch of giveaways we're gonna be doing. So stay tuned. This week, next week on X. You guys have been using code PINE. I appreciate it. So try to give back as much as I can. Yo, Trade Current Futures, what is up? Thank you, Feline. Lucky so far we haven't got stopped out, but I think it's about inevitable. If this was a take profit right here, it wouldn't hit it. So we just gotta pretend that this is a take profit. All right, 741s. Market's stalling here. 633. Central Time. If I think we're gonna stop out here. Too choppy. Watch to see if the target's 24. Yeah, scalp ripper. Yeah, for sure. It's guys, smash that like button too. If you guys haven't smashed the like button, we got I don't know how many people watching. Probably close to 200 people watching between both platforms. So if you guys can smash that like button, let's get it over at least 100 likes. Or you guys ain't getting anything. No, I just appreciate it. You wish TPT dashboard ran at the... Yeah, for sure. I know TPT dashboard is a little slow. We got stopped out there, guys. Down a whopping 35 bucks. So I gave back 300 bucks. So it's a little unfortunate. Yeah, TPT dashboard is a little slow. Usually about 10, 11 o'clock at Eastern time. It updates, and then if I request a daily payout on it, and then it you know, usually by morning or so I got the payout and I can trade the accounts again. But yeah, like I said earlier, not financial advice though, guys, but you guys, we had someone in the chat earlier, unfortunately traded their account before their payout came out, and then they lost the account. So make sure your payouts come out of the balance first before you trade the account. Yo, Coop, what is up? Joey Morgan in the house. What is going on? Yeah, Silky C. Yeah. I've probably have done it too, Silky. Can't remember. Seen Alpine do it the other day. Lost $10,000. They were pending payouts, 10,000 bucks, and he blew the accounts. So, you know, but yeah, you just gotta. It sucks. I know. I've been there. I told the story the other day where I had a $9,000 payout locked in, and I wanted $10,000, and I ended up blowing the account. So, you know, it's hard, but chilling, watching. Nice, Joey. Like the segment that you had on with Edgeful. I love Edgeful stuff. I'm not a subscriber to them, but I'm very familiar with their stuff through friend and stuff that has them. And I trade initial balances and things like that, especially on the ES. One of my SPX option strategies that I trade on the personal side. Basically looking for an initial balance break, getting that 50% retracement, and then basically my stop's kind of at the low on the opposite side, or the high on the opposite side, because it's generally like what, 20% of the time that it even goes back and retests the opposite side. So yeah, that's one of my strats. Love that Edgeful stuff. Half the time I feel like I should be running those algo bots. Take the emotions out. Alright, let's see here. Let me pull up the old Moose Race. So guys, Moose Race. So many tabs open. I need more screens. I need screens like the guy on My Funded Futures. Just I don't want charts on them. I just want all the other stuff. Guy has like 50 screens. So I'll give you guys a few minutes. Get over on the other side. There's a link on the chat. I'm doing two. I got one on the mobile side, so this is the short side. I got one on the regular side. There's two streams kind of going simultaneously. You gotta go over to the mobile side, put in exclamation point Pine. We're giving away some accounts. So I have one 50K growth account from Tradeify to give away. I also, if you want, I have another choice. You can pick any size Apex account. So one or the other, your choice. Your new account lost $500 today, John King. Wait a minute, I shorted? No, I'm not. I'm flat. Oh, I shorted, yeah. I went long, got chopped. I went short, and then I got chopped. So yeah, I got chopped in the zone. Gave back that $300 that I was up. Yeah, go over on the mobile side, and because the Streamlabs bot only works over there for some reason. I don't really know. Give you guys another 6:43 up here, and we'll close it. So, and then we'll do another giveaway for members only right after. So basically, what I do is I close down the chat to members only on the mobile side, and they can put an exclamation point Pine, and we'll do a giveaway for the members only. Appreciate that. I can't thank you guys enough for joining the membership. Let's see here. So you guys got to go over to here, the mobile side. Put exclamation point Pine in the chat, and that's where the stream bot works. So, and smash the like button on both sides too. Winner right here, Dean. Let's go. Good luck. Thank you, Edge Royal Trades. Hopefully I can get that figured out over the weekend. I don't know if there's a way, but apparently when you start your stream and you're doing a multi-stream, dual stream type thing, it's like whatever one fires up first, I guess, and that's the way Streamlabs works. It might, I kind of think it might be whoever chats first, so it's on the mobile side or the regular side, because John Walk chatted on the mobile side first, and so that might be how it works. I'm not really sure. All right, now Baba, see you later, man. I know it's late for you guys. Appreciate you. Appreciate you hanging out. Yeah, I'm gonna look that up, Fiber Splice. Yeah, thank you. All right, one more minute. I will close down the entries, and if you missed out, that's okay. We are gonna do a bunch of giveaways coming up, so I'm gonna do one on X too. So if you haven't followed me on X, I'm gonna do a giveaway over there too. So. Not tonight, yeah, Zane. I'm gonna do one eventually. I gotta set it up. But yeah, we're gonna do one. Not tonight. Sorry. Thanks for clarifying that. I'm gonna set one up. Maybe Monday. We'll do some giveaways over there too. So the market is continuing to push higher. So we had a slight pullback right to the VWAP, and continuing to push higher. So fortunately, we started out really nice. We had two nice trades off these outside bars. Nice trade here, 1-to-1. Nice trade here, not quite 1-to-1, but could have easily got a 1-to-1. And basically took it back down into the gap, and was up $300, and then took two losing trades and basically lost it all. So All right, guys, I'm gonna close down the giveaways. Sorry if you didn't quite get in, but it's all right. We're gonna do two of them. So let's see. Closing entries. Must be present to win. I want to be in my own race. Why not? All right, guys. Good luck. Oh, I gotta put my Moose Race hat on. It's hot, though. Smash the like button. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Good luck. Smash 1, it makes your moose go faster. That's what I heard. Hasn't been proven, but it might. All right, who's it gonna be? Ten seconds. Level 2. Who's this? Ooh. Life begins today. Coach Fred in the top 10. Nao in the top 10. Life begins today. You hear. All right, life begins. Let's go. Congratulations. Life begins today. Are you in the Discord by chance? It's free. If not, that's okay too. No Discord for you. All right. You don't have to be. Let's see. Just too old. All right, cool. Yeah, just send me an email. Send me an email with a screenshot so I know it's you of like this section or whatever of your YouTube, so I know it's you. And we'll get you an account. Let's do another giveaway for the members only. Congratulations. Your choice of a any size Apex account or a 50K growth account. Let's see. Thank you so much, Apex, and thank you so much, Tradeify, for getting back to me. And giving me some accounts. So all right, so I'm going members only on the mobile side. I don't think there's many members here. So members only on the mobile side. I appreciate that. Appreciate you members. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I can start the race first. I can start the giveaway. Hold on. Sorry. My bad. My bad. Now you can go. There you go. My bad. No, that was my fault. I should have. So I'll give you guys just a few minutes. We'll give it like 6:52. Just a few minutes. 'Cause members are usually here, so appreciate you members. Good chance to winning. Thank you so much, guys. The market pushing up to 748, but man, really disappointed I gave back those monies, but that's all right. We won't try to get it back right now. We will see if we can pass that account tomorrow. So just a few minutes for the members only. If you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you haven't smashed the like button, please smash the like button. All right. So I think the members have all joined up, right? 30 seconds here. Only 9 of you. Am I in need of an editor? It pays nothing though. Probably. You've probably seen my stuff. It's probably not that great. But, yeah. Thank you, Deity. Alright, I'm closing the entries. Got 10 people in for the members only. Copy. Let's see. What are we gonna do? I like to do something fun for the members only. Let's see. We can do. Let's do. Let's do this one. We're doing a troll race. Let's go. Good luck. All right, life begins. Awesome. Ishmi out to the lead. Let's go. Hitchman, congratulations. Let's go.
I'm not sure what this is about, but I won't shy away from praise. Thank you.
Oh, I don't know why my phone's talking to me though. Congratulations, Hitchman. So close. His Royal in second place. Hitchman, you must be on the Discord, right? Life begins today. I emailed you back. Just let me know which one you would like. 50K Tradeify growth account or any size Apex account. Awesome. Yeah, just message me, Hitchman, and we'll get that straightened out. Awesome. Yeah, you got that. Awesome. Hitchman has won before. Congratulations. You probably won one of the members only ones. Both times, members only. Let's go. Thank you so much for being a member, paying that monthly membership. I appreciate that. Help support the channel. Thanks, guys, for using code PINE. I think I'm about ready to call it there. It's kind of like my Friday. Maybe a beer and pizza or something. I don't know. We'll see. Thank you so much for being here this week. It's been a good week. It's been a fun week. We're going to do some more giveaways coming up next week for sure. I will be traveling, but I will be here. Not here, but I will be on stream. So, can't wait. Trade safe the rest of the week. Thank you so much for using code PINE, Apex, Tradeify. Thank you to Apex and Tradeify for those giveaway accounts. And yeah, Take Profit Trader, Top One, Bulanox, 91% off Bulanox right now. So if you want to pass or smash, no, preferably pass some Bulanox accounts, I imagine they're $15.75. I imagine Apex is gonna follow up with 90% off. So use code PINE for them. And I will see you guys next week. Sunday night, possibly, right? Yeah, Sunday night. So yeah, usually I'm here Sunday nights. So. And I believe, let's see. All right, so yeah, so Hitchman and I already forgot your name. The other one, Life Begins Today. I will get back to you guys both with those two codes. So check your email, Life Begins, and then check the the Discord direct message Hitchman. When I get those codes, I will email you guys right back. It might take a minute, so, or it might take a little bit because I got to email Tradeify, but we will be giving away some Apex accounts on my X account, and we'll get some more Apex accounts to give away next week, Sunday night. So pretty awesome. I'll see you guys later. Smash the like button. I will see you guys Sunday. So awesome. All right, guys. Peace. Use code PINE.